To set yourself up for success in 2025, it's important to adopt habits that align with your personal and professional goals. Here are some key habits to consider. 1. Continuous learning. Why? The world is evolving rapidly, especially with advancements in technology and new methodologies. How? Commit to reading books, taking online courses, or listening to podcasts to keep growing in your field and expand your knowledge base. 2. Time management. Why? Time is your most valuable resource. Efficiently managing it can significantly boost productivity. How? Use tools like planners, digital calendars, or time-blocking techniques. Prioritize tasks and limit distractions. 3. Mindfulness and mental health care. Why? Mental well-being is foundational to success. Maintaining a calm, focused mind will help you handle stress and improve decision-making. How? Practice mindfulness, meditation, or journaling. Take regular breaks and ensure you have outlets for stress. 4. Physical health and fitness. Why? A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Regular exercise has proven benefits for productivity, energy, and overall well-being. How? Incorporate daily physical activities, such as walking, stretching, or gym workouts, into your routine. 5. Networking and building relationships. Why? Success is often about who you know as much as what you know. Building and maintaining strong professional and personal relationships opens doors to opportunities. How? Attend events, engage with peers on social media, and make time for face-to-face interactions. 6. Financial discipline. Why? Understanding how to manage and grow your wealth is crucial for long-term success. How? Build a budget, track your spending, invest, and save for the future. Focus on long-term financial goals while managing current expenses wisely. 7. Adaptability and innovation. Why? Being able to adapt to changing circumstances and think creatively sets you apart in an ever-shifting landscape. How? Stay open to new ideas, embrace change, and look for ways to innovate in your personal and professional life. 8. Consistency over perfection. Why? Small, consistent actions compound over time and lead to significant progress. How? Focus on building habits that you can maintain daily instead of trying to do everything perfectly from the start. 9. Gratitude and positivity. Why? A positive mindset fosters resilience and helps you maintain motivation even during challenging times. How? Practice gratitude by acknowledging what you're thankful for every day. Surround yourself with positivity and avoid negative influences. 10. Setting clear goals and reviewing progress. Why? Setting specific, measurable goals gives you direction and purpose, while reviewing progress helps you stay on track. How? Break larger goals into smaller, actionable steps and set regular check-ins to measure your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Incorporating these habits into your daily life will help you build a solid foundation for success in 2025 and beyond.